Hey curlies. Today we're going to talk about this flat twist out. We started on blown out and stretched hair. Yes, I blow dried my hair on the cool air setting, and then I stretched it for about an hour using extra large Goody hair bands. You'll see I have 3 flat twists on each side of my head in the front, and in the back I have a total of 6 medium-sized flat twists. Yep, only 6. I did 6 to see how much definition, and if you see, look at that, in the back I had just as much definition as the front. So 6 was the way for me to go, and I felt comfortable. Yes, I was really excited. And I felt really comfortable doing 6. And I mean, look at the curl definition. So not only did I have a lot of curls, okay, a lot, but I had a lot of hold. So definition plus hold, happy girl, happy natural girl over here. I mean, look at that zoom in, just layer upon layer of girl. Y'all have to excuse me. I was really excited. You better. Because, yeah, I was really excited because I love when you do achieve a flat twist out and you get, whoa, yes, and you are able to instantly see your results without having to add any more product or without having to go back over it and retwist. It's an amazing feeling. This natural hair, yes. I was amazed. I really was by these curls. I'm silly. Anyway, your natural hair will be and will do whatever you want it to do. You just have to really figure it out. And this is what I have found when you, for me, I will say, when I blow my hair out and I do flat twist, this is the style that I love. I will wear this all year round. I think it is so versatile.
Look at this. Do y'all see it? Bruh.
Yeah, and that's the zoom in on the back. Like I said, a lot of definition and a lot of hold. Very, very happy about the results. Don't underestimate what's in your kitchen for this natural hair. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.